Filmora HD Premium is a game-changer in the world of video editing, offering an array of features that empower users to transform their creative visions into stunning realities. Imagine having the ability to craft professional-grade videos right from your home with the ease and flexibility that this software brings. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just embarking on your creative journey, Filmora HD Premium unlocks a treasure trove of tools that cater to every skill level. The user interface of Filmora HD Premium captivates immediate attention. It's sleek, intuitive, and designed with the user experience in mind. Picture navigating effortlessly through a visually appealing dashboard where features are clearly labeled and tools are just a click away. Editing becomes a fluid experience as you arrange clips on the timeline, apply transitions, and layer effects with remarkable simplicity. This accessibility encourages experimentation, inspiring editors to try out new techniques without the fear of overwhelming complexity. Unlocking all features in Filmora HD Premium reveals a world bursting with possibilities. Consider the wide range of filters and overlays that can easily elevate your videos, adding a distinct style tailored to your unique vision. The software boasts a robust library of royalty-free music and sound effects, allowing creators to craft mood and tone without worrying about copyright issues. Imagine bringing your story to life with stunning motion graphics or utilizing green screen effects to transport your footage to breathtaking new locations. Each tool is designed not only to enhance your video but also to streamline the editing process, resulting in a more efficient workflow. Sharing your finished masterpiece becomes a breeze thanks to Filmora HD Premium's export options. Envision completing your video project and easily exporting it in various formats to suit any platform, from social media to high-definition playback. The versatility of this software ensures that your creations shine no matter where they are viewed. Thus, Filmora HD Premium stands as a testament to what modern video editing software should offer: a perfect blend of power, ease, and creativity. In a world where content is king, harnessing the capabilities of Filmora HD Premium gives you the tools to reign supreme.